Hello all. In this video, we will talk about the teaching example 12.4 and teaching example 12.5 are in your textbook. And so that you will do the quick practice 12.4 and quick practice 12.5 by yourself, so that I will tell you the answer later. Okay, now let's look at the teaching example for part A. You're going to write down arrange that 排序. So you must know this word. The terms of the following polynomials in descending order, so that we go into in descending powers. That means 遞降, that means 由大至小 of the variables, and in ascending powers of the variable. Then you must do two things. One, 即跟住要做遞升. So first of all, you must write down the in descending power first, and the second one you must write down in the ascending power. So let's look at part A. But first of all, we write down in descending powers. Okay, this one is the first one. Okay, now in descending power, look at it. We have a squared, a cubed, and no a. So that means for descending order, that means we will go to degree 3 goes first, because this one is the biggest one. So we will conclude write down -3 also. So every time we will also write here. This one is the first one. So we are going to write -3 a cubed. Okay, the second one is the degree 2. I think this one is the second one. So we will go to -8a squared. The third one, obviously, is plus 5a, because we have unknown a here. So we will have 1 degree, okay? Finally, -5 will be right here. So this one is the descending power of it. So why don't we write that in ascending power of it? So we just interchange the position. So this -5 will go first, plus 5a will be the second, and then -8a squared will be the third, and -3a cubed will be the last one. Okay, so this is part A. So we will do the part B at the same time. So once again, we write down in descending power, and also the in ascending order. Ascending power, not order, okay? Okay, now let's look at this one. The first one, we have degree 1, we have no degree, degree 0, degree 5, degree 2, and degree 3. So this one will be the first. So the first one is 7m with the power 5. This is the first one. The second one will be the degree 3. So this is -6m with the power 3. The third one is -m squared. The fourth one is 4n, so we do not write that this one is positive. So we have positive 4m. And finally, -8. So this one is the first part of it. And in ascending, we interchange the position. This one is a -8 plus 4m minus m squared minus 6m cubed, and then plus 7m with the power 5. So we finish the teaching example. Okay, now this is your turn. I will give you 30 seconds. Please do the quick practice 12.4 by yourself. Okay, make sure that you must write down the descending power and also the in ascending powers. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, now we will check the answer. Okay, let's look at this. Write down the in descending power, and also write down the in ascending power. So let's look at this one by one. So the answer for this one is because the x cubed is the greatest degree, -x cubed, and plus 5x squared is the second one. The third one will be -4x, so we have -4x and plus 3 for the last one. So we interchange the position, so this one is 3 minus 4x plus 5x squared minus x cubed. This one is the part A answer. And we will go to part B. Okay, write down in descending power, and also the in ascending power. Okay, now let's look at this one. You have 4, 6. 105. So that means the greatest one is 6, negative 5x with the power 6. And then 5 will be negative 3x with the power 5. The third one with plus x with the power 4. The fourth one is plus 2x. And finally, plus 8. Okay, last one, so we write down, interchange the answer. So 8 plus 2x plus x with the power 4 minus 3 with the x power 5 minus 5 with the power x with the power 6. So this is the answer of part B. Okay, now we will go to the second teaching example and the quick practice 12.5. This time you're going to simplify the following polynomials. That means you are going to find the like terms and you can do the addition and subtraction and arrange the terms in descending powers of A. That means you have more A, you will go first. So this is the questions we're going to do. Okay, if you have less A, so that this one, I'm sorry about that, this one is not the answer. Okay, now let's do a part A first. You will see the first term you have 4A minus B plus 3A plus 6B. So we highlight the like term first. For 4A and 3A, they have the like term. So why don't we copy the question first? Plus 3A plus 6B. So that we will add them together, 4A with 3A. So this one with more A, so we do it first. 4 plus 3, that is 7A. And then minus B and 6B, you will see this one is plus 6B minus B. So that we can have, this is, both of them are like terms, so we highlight them all also. So this one is plus 5B. So we finish this one, because you can see this is part A. And then we can have something like this. So we do not write here because we can have enough place. We write B here. Okay, for part B, you are going to find out the question. So let's simplify the question. Okay, now first look at this. You have degree 1, degree 3, degree 3, degree 0, degree 1. So degree 3 is the greatest one. So we highlight the degree 3 first. So we have negative 6A cubed and plus 2A cubed. So first of all, we write down the question first. So we do the calculation for the highlighter of the pen one. So negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4A cubed. So we finish this one first. Next, we are going to do is the unknown A. Okay, we have negative A. And we have plus 12A. So the answer for this one is obviously is plus 11A. So we write down this is plus 11A and negative 8. No calculation here, so we just are right here. So this is the answer for part B. And we will go to part C. Line A B cubed minus 3A squared B plus 8B cubed A plus 7BA squared. So first of all, let's highlight the like term first. You can see this one is A, you can have 1A and 3B. And for this one is also 3B and 1A, they are the same. So first of all, we highlight these two first. These two can be highlighted. And next one, you will see the next one is 2A and 1B. This one is 2A and 1B. So once again, these two can be highlighted together, so that we must do the calculation. So which one go first? It depends on how many degree for A. So you will see this one you have 2, this one have 2, and these two have 1. So we do the plain highlighter first. So let's look at it. We have negative 3 plus 7. So this one is 4A squared B. Okay. Next, 9 plus 8. So this is 17AB cubed. So this is the answer for part C. We finish them, we put all like terms together, and also we do the descending powers of A also at the same time. And now this is your turn. I will give you 30 seconds to do the correct practice 12.5. If you find it's not enough time, so that pause the video until you finish the video. Okay? Okay, now we will tell you the answer. So let's look at this one. For part A, the answer for this one is negative y plus 3. Okay, we directly do the answer. For part B, the answer is negative 9y squared, negative 8y, copy it, and then the answer is plus 14. Okay, this is part B. And finally, for part C, you will say this one is 10by squared first. And then the other one is negative 7b cubed with the power y. Okay, b cubed and also the y. Okay, so this one is A, part B, and part C. So I hope you all know how to do this question. So every time if you have the highlighter, you can use this to find out that which one is the like term and which one is the unlike term, and so that you can solve the problem easily. Okay, in the next video, we'll have many calculations. Please pay the serious attention. So you must know how to do this, okay, in the future. Okay, thanks for watching.